contact until it doesn't mean anything anymore. I must confess that I'm in distress and I can't just keep doing this. What for? Locked in on the pain, it's not worth thinking about. I need something other than what I'm thinking about. Could it be that for me it's not fixable?